Now, if you open up your brush options here, you can see that you have a lot of different choices for what type of brush you want to use. And by default, Photoshop has some brushes available for you. I've already added a lot of different ones, and I'll show you exactly how you can do it. So you can go online and find people who are either selling Photoshop brushes or giving them away for free, and download them to your computer, and then open them up in Photoshop and save them there and use them on whatever projects you're using. So if I go here, you can see that I have all of these different options for brushes. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get all of these types of brushes on your computer as well. So I click a cool one like this, then I go back to painting here. You can see that this brush is kind of a halftone brush. It paints with this awesome pattern. And there's all these different types of brushes and things you can do with the brushes. Over here we have our brush settings, and you can customize these settings however you want. So go through these and see the different things that you can do to your brushes to make them how you want them. If you'd like to load all the brushes that I have onto your computer, Adobe gives them away for free, and I'll show you exactly how you can get those. So you can either go on Adobe's website, or you can go to the brush window, go to brushes, click on the side menu here, and then go to get more brushes. So I'm not on brush settings, I'm on brushes. If that's not open over here, you can go to window, brushes, open this up. You'll see all the brushes that you already have on your computer. And if you'd like more, go to this little icon here, which opens up a menu. Go to get more brushes, and it will take you to Adobe's website, where you can download all of these brushes that have been made by a person named Kyle T. Webster, who used to sell these brushes in packages on his own website, and they were so good, Adobe decided to allow all Creative Cloud users to download them for free. So they kind of cover the cost here for us, which is awesome. And now what we can do is we can look through each of these, and let's say we want to download this set of Impressionist brushes. Click download here. It'll start to download on your computer. And now if you have Photoshop open, you can just double click on this download. It will open up in Photoshop. And now I have this folder called Impressionist 2. The reason it's called Impressionist 2 is because I already have that downloaded on my computer. Impressionist right here. I've already downloaded all of those that you see here. I have all of these on my computer, and they're really fun to play with and go through. So if you have a folder that you want to delete, just right click on it and click delete group. And that'll delete those from Photoshop. Now we can play with these. So if we go to the Impressionist brush group, you can see that it has all of these different options. And if I pick on one, or if I pick one, and I'll lock this back up here, I can paint with this brush, and it has this really cool effect right here. And then I can change the color, change the size, and get really specific with what I'm doing with the brush. So that is everything I want you to know about the brush tool in Photoshop before moving forward.